Bass, I think. It's going for the weeds. Come on, get out of the weeds. Don't go. Yeah, baby. There we go. Oh, get out of the weeds, baby. Please. No. This is a strong little bass, man. Wear out. Wear out. Wear out. Come on. Get out of the weeds. Please. Oh, man. He buried himself. Yeah, he buried himself. I might not get this one back. Oh, here he is. Oh, come on, guy. Look at that nice bass. Look at it, it's on the weeds though.
That's a really nice bass.
Yeah, it's not huge, but it's not tiny either. Come on. I might lose the fish. I'm stuck on the fucking weeds. Hey, I need a pole. Look at, it's stuck on that lily. There he is.
There you go. It's a nice bass.
Okay. All right. There he is.
There you
You don't need that. Bass don't really have teeth. I mean, they do, but
go. Yeah, I know, but it's nice to
yeah.
use.
All right, that's a good one. You see him jump?
I didn't, but I heard it.
Here, hold this. Look at that. Look at that. It's got to be a 2-pound bass. You want to feel how heavy he is? Look at him. Yeah. Good bass. Good bass. Ready?